Myself, Lohit Dalal, lecturer, Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, Jain Polytechnic, Belgavi. Today I am going to discuss unit number 4, digital to analog converters and analog to digital converters. In this lecture, I am going to discuss 3 or 4 bit digital to analog converter using the resistive divider and 3 or 4 bit digital to analog converter using the binary ladder network. Okay, so let's see one by one. First one, DAC using the register divider network, binary weighted register. Okay, we are naming it as a binary weighted register DAC. Okay, digital to analog converter. So this the binary weighted register DAC, which involves the characteristics of the inverting summer op amp, okay, or a summing amplifier. Okay, in this type of the digital to analog converters, the output voltage is inverted sum of all the input voltages. Okay, so if the input register values are set multiple of 2, then 2, that is 1R, 2R, okay, 4R, okay, like that, 2R, 4R, 8R and 16. Okay, the output voltage Vout would be the equal to the sum of V1 and V2 divided by 2, V and V3 divided by 4. Okay, V3 by 4 will get. So V1 corresponds to the most significant bit, while V3 corresponds to the least significant bit, LSB. So here you are getting the Vout equal to output voltage, where you will get that inverted means your signal should be inverted. Already I said Vout equal to minus V1 plus minus in bracket V1 plus V2 divided by 2 plus V3 divided by 4 will get like that. You will get the output voltage. Okay, the circuit diagram of a 4-bit DAC. Okay, so you will get the output voltage will get like this, and also the circuit diagram you can see here, it consists of registers are multiple of 2R, 4R, 8R, 16R, like that. Okay, and also operational amplifier, that is a inverting op amp, and also there is a feedback register, it is connected. So binary input I is equal to 1 2 3 4. Okay, so we have a values of either 0 or 1. The value for 0 represents the open switch and 1 represents the closed switch. Okay, the operational amplifier is used as the summing amplifier. Okay, and also which gives the weighted sum of the binary inputs based on the voltage VREF. For the 4-bit DAC, the relationship between the Vout and the binary input is given. Okay, so okay, that is Vout equal to, for inverting op amp, there is Vout equal to minus RF. Okay, so how you multiply this, substitute these values. Okay, Vout equal to minus RF equal to some value will come, VRF equal to in bracket A1 divided by 2R, A1 divided by 4R, okay, A3 divided by 4R, A4 divided by 4R, like that. Okay, so you substitute the values, you will get minus VREF. Okay, first you take common RF divided, you take common R, so what we will get here, VREF equal into RF divided by R equal to A1 divided by 2 raised to 1, A2 divided by 2 raised to 2, A3 divided by 2 raised to 3, and A4 divided by 2 raised to 4 you will get. Okay, so this, the negative sign associated with the, here you are getting the negative sign at the output side. The negative sign gives the analog output due to the connection of the summing amplifier, the whatever which is polarity inverting amplifier. When the signal is applied to the letter type, okay, of the amplifier, the polarity of the signal is reversed. A plus input becomes negative, okay, negative, or vice versa you will get. For bit DAC, the relationship between the Vout and the binary input is, okay, input is already you have seen here. You can see the summation of, you can take summation also, means Vout equal to minus VRF into RF divided by R into, in summation I equal to 1 to n, you are going to change the values of 1 2 3 here. You are just substituting the, you are taking the summation, and you are writing this. Okay, so next, binary ladder network, R to R by, okay, R to R ladder. Okay, that is a DAC, digital to analog converter. To overcome the huge range of resistors registers used in the weighted register DAC converter, R to R ladder DAC converter is introduced. But the main problem is problem in weighted register DAC to DAC converter is use of huge range of different resistances. Suppose we have to design 8-bit weighted register digital to analog converter, then we need the resistance values 2 raised to 0 into R plus 2 raised to 1 into R plus 2 so on up to 2 raised to 7 R. Okay, so the longest register corresponding to the bit B8 is the 128 times the value of the smallest register corresponds to the B1. But in case of the R to R ladder digital to analog converter, register of only two values R and 2R are used. The simple ladder network is, you can observe here, it is shown in the figure. So see here, 2R, 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 all the registers are a multiple of R and 2. Okay, registers are only two values, that is R and 2R. Okay, so there will be N1, node 1, node 2, node 3, node 4. Okay, so you can observe this is the R to R logic ladder network circuit. Okay, so ladder circuit, the output voltage is also weighted or sum of the corresponding digital input. Consider, okay, for example, in order to convert the analog signal corresponds to the 1000 input bits. For 1000 bits we can see MSB most significant bit and rest all bits are 0. Now you can observe here, next one, the next diagram we can observe. Already I said, okay, example, you are considering 1000 input bits. Okay, so what you are getting here, you can see the MSB 1. Okay, and rest all will be got 0. Okay, next there will be a now see the node 1 register to R connecting to the, okay, you can see here now register node 1 is connecting to the 2R corresponding to the B4 parallel B4. Okay, here B4 parallel with the register 2R, and those 2R parallel to R register makes the equivalent register. Okay, equivalent register you can see. Okay, you can see here which will make the equivalent register. So that is going to connect the B4 parallel only, right? So parallel to R register makes the equivalent register circuit. So next, now N2, okay, N2 same thing happens, 2R at the B3, okay, 2R at the B3 parallel with the R plus R register, it also make the equivalent register R and at N3. Okay, so this diagram you can observe here. So next, the repeating the same process, we got equivalent R register at N4. So now N4, if we calculate the output analog equivalent voltage, then we'll get the VA equal to VR into 2R divided by R plus 2R. Okay, equal to VR divided by 2 you will get here. Okay, that is the binary ladder network for a digital to analog conversion. Okay, and also by using the superposition theorem we can find in any n bit, okay, any n bit ladder network, the output voltage can be given by, you can observe here, VA equal to VR divided by 2 raised to 1 plus VR divided by 2 raised to 2 plus VR divided by 2 raised to 3, so on up to VR divided by 2n. Okay, so where n is the total number of bits at the input, V out equal to VR into RF divided by R, so into B1 divided by 2 raised to 1 plus B2 divided by 2 raised to 2 plus B3 divided by 2 raised to 3 plus B4 divided by 2 raised to 4. Like this we'll get, for inverting input terminal of the op-amp works as a summing amplifier for the ladder inputs. Okay, so in this session we have discussed 3 or 4 bit DAC using the resistive divider and the 3 or 4 bit DAC using the binary ladder network. Thank you.